In today's video, I am going to teach you how to deliver PDF in Aweber. To get started, sign into your Aweber account and go to your main dashboard. This is the home area where you can access your messages and editing tools. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and list, especially if you manage more than one, because attachments and drafts are saved within the context of what you are working on. Next, look to the right side settings panel and click the Message tab. This is where Aweber keeps options related to emails you create and manage. Once you are in the message area, select the option for messages, then go to Drafts. Drafts are messages you have started but have not published or sent yet, which makes them the right place to add your PDF before your message goes live. In the Drafts section, find the draft message you want to use to deliver your PDF. Select that draft and click Edit. This opens the message editor, where you can adjust your content and add files that your subscribers can access. On the right side of the editor, click Settings. In that panel, you should see an option that mentions Drag and Drop Files. This is the area where you attach a file to your message so it can be delivered through the email. From here, click Add, or choose Browse Files. Either option will let you select a file from your computer. Locate your PDF and select it, making sure it is under 1 MB. If your file is larger than that, it may not upload successfully, so consider compressing the PDF or saving it with a smaller file size before you try again. Once the PDF is selected, let the upload finish. Then click Save and Exit. Give it a minute to process, especially if your connection is slow. After that, you can publish your message when you are ready, confident that your PDF is attached for delivery. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.